Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how Wikipedia Seismograph helps track and understand public interest in topics by creating more focused Google News searches using Wikipedia data. For my example, I'm going to look at Kendrick Lamar. He had a great 2024 and he's not slowing down in 2025. I'll start by typing his name into this form to find his Wikipedia page. The form tries to autocomplete, so there's Kendrick Lamar. The second thing you have to do is choose the date range that you want to evaluate. We'll look at 2024. When I click the button, the program will evaluate Kendrick Lamar's page views over the span we specified and chart out any deviation from average page views over a 7-day moving period. This way, instead of mapping out ongoing views, we're identifying spikes of public interest which may indicate news or events. Click! This chart maps Kendrick Lamar's Wikipedia page views for 2024. The chart shows when the topic of Kendrick Lamar had spikes in public interest. You can drag your mouse over the chart to see specific page view counts for each day. You can also use this chart to create date-based Google News searches. Here's how. To create a Google News search, pick an interesting spike and click right before and right after it. Each time you click, a red line will appear. Let's look at this big May spike. Click. Click. After you've clicked those red lines, a form will appear underneath the chart showing the search span you've chosen and the Wikipedia page name, along with the Search Google News button. Click that and the program will open a Google News search result page in a new tab. Setting up the search that way means I don't have to pay for an API and I can make this tool free to use. In this case, searching Kendrick Lamar in Google News between May 1st and May 7th brings a lot of results about the beef between Lamar and Drake. Do you see how focused they are? If you want to search someone who's very famous but you don't know much about them, you might not know the keywords or concepts to narrow your search. But if you use Wikipedia page view data, what I call fossilized attention, you can create small data spaces using date-based search. Let's look at another example of spike search results between September 5th and September 10th. This time the results are all about Kendrick Lamar's pending participation in the Super Bowl halftime show. When you search by date like this, you're building a search timeline that makes it easier to keep topics and events organized. Further, having markers of public interest helps keep your searches focused and information-rich. Wikipedia Seismograph is part of WikiTwister.com, where you'll find 6 free tools that help you explore and reshape Wikipedia and Wikidata in useful ways. Each tool looks at the data from a different angle, helping you discover new patterns and connections. They're all free to use and work best on desktop or laptop computers. Come check them out.